What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video with Karen and Sebas. Woo! Two-shot Karen, don't forget that, guys. We decided it's time for a new video and we got a really delicious drink that's gonna relax everybody.
Perfect for the weekend.
Ease your mind. Close your eyes. You can really be in Hawaii or wherever the hell you want to be. But I'm really excited to show you guys how to get this delicious spicy watermelon margarita. Before we get started with the video, I have to give a Okay.
She hasn't even drank yet.
So before we get started, I just have to give a big shout out to the New Yorkina, who is the girl I got the recipe from. I saw it on TikTok and then I started following her on Instagram because she has really good recipes. And they're quick things you can make, but this stood out to me. I tried it and I got it.
To be honest, I'm not like a big fan of like these kind of mixed drinks, but this one looks really good. Yeah. Really refreshing, and it requires fruit.
Yeah, it's kind of nice because it's fresh fruit as well. Everything's fresh. You're gonna see it all go down. It's got a nice little little twist to it that you guys are gonna see right now because we're gonna actually muddle everything together, which I'm excited about. But before we get into actually creating the drink, we gotta do a shot, and we're actually gonna try a shot that we also saw.
Was it TikTok or Instagram?
No, it was on Instagram.
Yeah.
Just takes a shot out of a jalapeno, but then you have to bite it at the end, the whole thing. So
yeah, so you get the jalapeno, you cut it from the top, le quitas toda la caca de adentro. You make it like a little shot glass, and then you dip it in like chamoy,
Tajin chamoy to get like a little bit of flavor.
And then you pour tequila in it, take the shot.
Then you bite it.
Yeah, you bite it. So should be fun. Let's start off with that. And by the way, we miss you guys so much. We enjoy making these cooking with two-shot Karen videos, and I know you guys love them as well. I know in the beginning we gave you guys some back to back to back. We apologize for not being consistent with them. We got sidetracked a little bit, but it's okay. We're back. And we're back with tequila.
And we're back and better than ever. So let's go ahead and get this shot ready.
I think Karen's trying to find a chaser.
I am.
You need to get used to not taking shots without a chaser.
Hell no. It's like me telling you to have food without salsa.
Touche. So let's cut these up. It's the first time I'm ever gonna do this, actually.
As you guys know, we love anything spicy, but sometimes the jalapenos are kind of a hit or miss. Sometimes they're really, really spicy, and sometimes I'm like, what happened? Oh, that one smells spicy, actually.
It's actually really easier with the, what is this, a pela papas? Put it inside, shred away. This is actually very satisfying.
Yeah, I like the sound.
You see that? Pollito.
We're out of our favorite rim paste, but we're gonna be using another one today that we have from Spicy Mike's. This is the chamoy dip. And the girl actually did it with lime and chamoy.
Yeah, like she did like her own little
custom, she made her own little concoction, which was cool, but
she basically just made rim paste, so whatever rim paste you have, let's not get all technical about it.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one. That's gonna be a nice bite. Okay, this may be the best idea or the worst, honestly, because if this jalapeno is super, super spicy, then...
You guys already know, unos salen dos, tres, y otros salen bravos.
I'm gonna go now in with some Tajin. We always eat Tajin. Drizzle it on top of the jalapeno, just so it looks almost like a little paleta.
Ooh, parece que lo compraste.
So now that we got the jalapenos ready to go, I'll have that one.
There you go.
Así.
Damn, now that I think about it, this is kind of badass.
It's like a cuerno shot. I'm so scared. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I haven't even really been drinking as much. Okay, that's a lie. I haven't been getting messed up as much, and I have like, I just feel like, I don't know how to feel about it.
And guys, if you don't follow us on Instagram, lovely lady to my right, your left. Wait, is it your left? It's iluvsarahii. I'll put the handles down here down below. And my name is Sebas. Welcome to Cooking with Two-Shot Karen. Salud.
Cheers. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
3, 2.
You lick it and then you take it, right?
1. Ooh. Ooh. What a crunch. Ooh. Keep chewing it. Savor it. All the taste buds with the chaser. Arriba Mexico. Let me show you how to really do it.
Muérdelo, muérdelo. You can bite it as you're drinking.
Obviously we can't cut with this cutting board because Karen is strict. So let's pull out the black one.
That shot already got me. I feel great, I feel good. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is start off by telling you guys your ingredients and what you're gonna need in this, okay? So you are gonna need a spare glass like this. This is where you're gonna be muddling everything together. This is a drink that you have to muddle. Gotta just, you know, and that's...
For the viewers listening, define muddle. Yeah, that's unos chingadazos.
So you're gonna need a cup like this. You don't need this one, but this is really nice because what this is gonna do is keep all the chunkiness down here and just get the juice out of everything. Yeah. And then this little strainer is gonna obviously keep that back. When you pour it in, no chunks come out. It's just like pure juice. So this, I recommend getting something like this. You can get these on Amazon. I think this is from West Elm. Yeah. I just got it because it was really cute. That shot already, whew, hit me in the stomach. Next, you're gonna need some watermelon. This is gonna be the main ingredient. And one of the reasons why I was really intrigued to try this was because the drink, like normally you would think someone would just pour watermelon juice or whatever, but to actually do like fresh watermelon makes it taste even better. Yeah. So fresh watermelon. Next ingredient, you're gonna need some limes. This is important to have limes. Limes always just take your drinks to a next level. So I have 4. We might do more.
I think we'll be good with 4 unless you want to do more shots.
So next you're gonna need serranos. If you thought the jalapeno was hot, serranos are like next level.
They're way hotter.
I have 2 just for backup, but if you're gonna make you multiple drinks, just remember you're gonna need a few serranos. This is gonna give it a spicy finish to it. I personally love all my tequila drinks with serranos. Like when I used to go out and be like, hey, can I get like a spicy margarita? I would always ask what do you put in there. And when they say serranos, I'm like, they know what they're doing. So serrano is gonna be the next one. And next you're gonna need some agave. This is going to sweeten up the drink. Just adds a nice little touch to it. So bomb. Most importantly, you are going to need some tequila. Last and final ingredient, which is really strange to me, a White Claw. I know. I was like, okay, tequila White Claw, that just sounds like
you're saying
like
that
a
it's gonna
real
be
wild night.
So basically you're saying that you're gonna make a drink that has serranos, agave,
sandia,
tequila,
and White Claw.
I'm down.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, we're about to get messed up. And last, you just need some Tajin, you need some ice, and you need some cups, and that is it.
Once again, it must be 21 or older to drink, and drink responsibly. All right, so let's do this.
Actually, we're gonna go ahead and like double time this, might as well. You could cut up the serranos. You're gonna do little like chunks.
Got it.
And then you're gonna just leave them here on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the limes. Instead of doing like wedges, we're gonna do nice little slices. Okay, that is it for the chopping.
Very simple.
What did I think? We had a lot more to chop. I think because the watermelon was already chopped. Anyway, so now we're gonna move into mixing everything. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your cup and you are gonna pour, from what I saw, was it 5 cubes? Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna take big chunks. These are my drinks, so my fingers go wherever. Wherever? Where's that? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
One more?
Yeah, it.
And then next we're gonna go ahead and add 2 limes in there. She did a pretty good amount of serranos because I was like said, maybe more than that. That's gonna be way too spicy for you, but.
For me?
And then next we're gonna go in and do agave. She did 2 tablespoons. It sounds kind of like a lot, but I feel like with the serranos, maybe we'll just add 1 more then.
Look it, I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
I know exactly. I know you don't need that.
I'm gonna do it.
You don't need that. Wow. 1 tablespoon. Ooh, pretty. 2 tablespoons. Wow. It's gonna be Tajin. I think at this point it's just however much you want. Spank it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And now the fun part, which is
the muddling.
Go for it. Wow.
Look at that juice. I'm telling you, watermelon has so much water in there, Albi. But yeah, this is like the best part. Is just.
Damn, I'm not gonna lie. That looks good. Can I try it?
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Can I please try it?
Go.
Oh!
Oh, sorry. I figured I'd do that.
Stop touching me. Nice and smashed.
Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and add your tequila. I got a shot glass for you here. This is actually, no, that's 2 shots. That's equivalent to 2 shots.
Yeah, so it's 2 shots of tequila, right?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, hold on. I could be wrong. Let me check her video. Because I want to make it like she did. It's,
she did 2 shots.
3 ounces of Don Julio 1942.
Yeah, this is it right here. And plus, there's no rules.
Yeah, but you don't want to be too strong and then you tell somebody and then they like it like that.
Pero si le quieres echar la botella, who are we to say no?
Okay, then.
More?
I would do a little bit more.
Yeah.
I would do like, right there. I don't want you to make it too strong. And then after that, it's gonna be 2 ounces of White Claw. So I would do it again. I'm just gonna.
Alright, you're the boss.
Was it more than that?
No, that's it.
Here, try to stop real quick. Stop.
Ooh.
Is it spicy?
Yeah. It's like one of those expensive drinks you get at those restaurants.
Yeah, like Javier's or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and top this with some Tajin. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors.
Do you know that you're officially a bartender? Do you know that? Cooking with 2-shot cans. Certified barista.
And we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of
Garnish?
garnish. We're gonna garnish it with a piece of lime.
I think that's the first time I've ever said that word in my life. Garnish.
Garnish. We're gonna go ahead and add a little
What are you doing
watermelon
right now?
cube in there.
What are you doing right now?
What do you mean?
Garnishing?
Shut up. Wait, you want Serrano in there too?
Oh no, it was, and she made it look nice and she like cut it.
She cut it down the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing she did. I just realized that I'm cutting on my board and I don't know how I feel about that. Oh shit. Like,
Wow! What are you doing?
There you go.
Wow,
you guys, and there you have it. Your very own $15 cocktail. Wow, so delicious.
So now that you guys got the step by step, we're gonna give you a really cool montage on how to make another one because we gotta speed up the process. You ready, Karen?
I'm not gonna lie, it is shot time.
2-shot Karen.
Cause the other one, I feel like the other one's a little weak.
It's like when you do edibles and they don't hit you 45 minutes later and you're like, I don't feel anything. And then you take another edible and then you're fucking meeting Snow White and the 7 dwarfs and you realize there's an 8th dwarf.
I'm dead.
I'm dead for you.
Cheers!
Okay, so we're gonna have a shot and then a drink, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see
That makes sense. Salud. Thank you for watching the show tonight with Karen, aka 2-shot Karen, and your co-host. You're all over the place right now. Where's my cup?
Right here.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. So you're gonna grab your fancy bartending cup. Bloop, bloop. Look at that.
There we go. Lastly, you're gonna be getting a cute little cube. So guys, moment of truth. Are you ready?
Oh, you thirsty or what? God damn. Cheers.
Cheers.
Guys, if you're following along, cheers. We love you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. That's crazy good.
That's so good. What the f? You guys cannot even taste the 42 and the White Claw.
It's better than a Slurpee.
There is no way.
Excuse me, bartender. Can I have another?
No, taste mine.
Yeah, it tastes just like mine.
Dude, how is this so good? You guys, it tastes like watermelon juice. You can't even taste the 42. How many shots were in there? 2. 2?
Mm.
Oh my god, I'm gonna slurp this shit up too. Watch this. I want to see a magic trick.
Where's the fucking magic trick?
I'm just trying to chug it, I can't.
It's bomb.
Oh my god.
Wow. Great idea filming this video, 2-shot Karen.
I have another one.
That's when you know it's time to party.
I'm drunk right now. It hit me.
I told you, it's like edibles with you.
Karen, oh my god, this is so
You're not even done with your drink.
I know, but
yeah, you had 2 shots.
I had 2 shots, and there's 2 shots in here, so technically I've had 4.
So why are you gonna cry? Why are you crying?
Having a watermelon in there, it's an additional treat to like the drink.
Yeah.
When you're done, you just eat it.
It's super good, guys. Try it out. Let us know what you guys think.
42 White Claw mixed. That's fire.
We finally found a replacement for the cantaritos, even though the cantarito still is our number one.
Yeah, definitely. But this is a lot smoother to take down.
Yeah, this is like when you're trying to host something or you have your family over or something when you can.
Here's my thing though. Here's my thing is that I don't know the measurements per like a bigger group. Because when I tried to make it one time in a pitcher, like a cantarito, I was like overpowered by the Serranos. I was overpowered by tequila. Like I didn't know which way. So I feel like you got to make it per drink, which I feel like it's a cool kind of thing to do with family. Like everybody can make their own drinks.
Yeah.
I don't know, guys.
It's definitely a drink you can impress your friends. I'll tell you that much.
So like I said, guys, we are back on doing...
What? All right, let me do this.
No. So like I said, guys, we are back to doing these videos, and we want to know if you guys have any requests, if you guys see something viral, like on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube that you're like, dude, you have to create it. We have a couple things we want to do. The first one being the salsa, the spiciest salsa in the world. We're so down. But anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like we said, if you guys have any drinks that you guys want to see us create in the future or any kind of food recipes, whatever, send them through. We love always trying your guys' like recipes or things you guys see that you want to... Wait, what am I saying? No, I don't know.
Guys, I'm sorry. Let me know down below how you guys like this video. It's so good seeing you guys again and making these videos for you. I can't wait to edit it and give this video a big thumbs up. Give it a great hell yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. We love you guys so much. Take care and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Late.